Working outside couldn't get any more glamorous. But we are on a mission to do our patio today. This is what happens when you start a project without doing your research. I mean, I did the research, but that was last year, so I kind of forgot. And I just want to give a try to my pressure washer. And I realized this is a big job. And I want to do it properly. So anyways, we have to go to Home Depot. We have to get things done, buy things, and then do it properly. But for now, I just want to clean it because there's a lot of dust and stuff, so I can clean that, and then we'll go from there. I need to move so these things moves from me. Oh, why do they exist? What do they do to the fucking ecosystem that they need to be on this planet? They're so annoying. Okay, bye. All right, so we're back. It's been a week of rain and cold. It was very cold. But today, summer is here and we need to get this patio ready. Like, I really need to get it done by tomorrow. And because for the next 7 days after tomorrow, from Wednesday, I think, to next Wednesday, I'm doing a little silent retreat in my own house. But we need to get this done, and it's a beautiful day. I'm just hoping when I start working, the black flies don't come back, because I really don't want to put those things on me because it's hot. But it's beautiful. I can't get over it. Anyways, let's just start. I need to put everything back over there again because it was raining, so we put them here. So I need to put them all back there, do a little dust cleaning, and then we're gonna spray with wood cleaners, and then we're gonna wait 10 minutes, and then we are going to pressure washer again. Let's get into it. It's Lily supervising. same. I just spray water everywhere and it's just like that area is almost dry. And I think that could be a problem. I don't think they're supposed to dry out that quickly. Maybe I should water more. Gotta go do a quick research. Be back. Okay. It does say do not let it dry, so I don't know. I just went and read the instruction and it's already dry. Whatever is in the sun is dry. Okay. I'm gonna do this anyways. Put this on. So ambitious. They come right at noon. So stupid. Anyways. This is the outfit of today. How's this? Fucking black flies. It's not as much as before, or maybe they're gonna come, I don't know. Anyways, I think I have to spray and then wash, and then spray and then wash, because the sun dries it out very quickly, and I think this is a better option. So, yeah. Okay, we'll do that. You're probably wondering how many times am I washing this patio. Honestly, I lost count, maybe 4 times, maybe 5, 6, I don't know. But it was very dirty and I didn't know when it was last cleaned. So I had to go over it, and I didn't know how new these woods are. So I wasn't sure if I am cleaning properly or it's just the wood that is, look like this. I just want to make sure. So I went over it and over it a little obsessively. The first pressure washer wasn't cutting it. We got this scrubbing attachment. You can see it here, and it made a huge difference. It worked better than the pressure washer alone, and it didn't damage the wood, so it was perfect. After this part, I went and I got the stain, but somehow this clip didn't make it to the edit. I might have accidentally deleted some footage without realizing. Oopsie. So you will see me staining the rails even though the floor was already done once. To give you a little backstory, I originally spray painted the entire patio, but it didn't come out flawless. It left a lot of dark spots. For the second coat, I thought we would try a staining pad. Sohel kept saying we should use a roller, but I was convinced we needed a special one. And I saw these pads that they use for patios, and I thought maybe we should use those. So we went to Home Depot, got more stain and pads, but the pads were awful. And of course, it turns out we already had a deck roller sitting in our storage the whole time. Almost half of, no, it's not half, a quarter of the deck is done. But change of plan, we are using roller. Joke's on us. And someone is not really happy about it.
It's on you.
Well, you could try it yesterday and prove me wrong.
Do you not remember yesterday?
I gotta go. But we need a needed another bucket of paint anyway.
I know.
So
That's a different story.
whatever. Well, I thought there's a different roller for a deck or something. I think there is, but
Sure.
it doesn't look promising. So.
What is it?
Hmm?
What it looks promising? This that you did?
No, I said this doesn't look promising to me.
That doesn't.
I think the best way to do it truly
Is not to talk right now.
is to brush. But it's
What are
gonna
you
take
talking
a
about? This is better
long
than-
time.
You just can't accept this now.
And try it.
Mess that you made.
Try it.
It's not gonna change the color, no matter what you do.
Okay. Did you eat anything?
No.
Yeah. You wanna go eat and then come back?
Yeah, I'll do it just a little bit.
Alright, we are back from a very quick break and almost done. Okay, I'm gonna get this part and also how it is rolling over there, and then once I'm done here maybe I can help him roll so we finish somewhere. He's playing with his drone right now.
Telling me back here.
We should have, for next time,
I'm listening.
like we're not gonna spray paint, but if you spray paint it and if you had a roller to go over it, then it would have been perfect.
No, because the spray paint, if you put the strong one already, it's hard to just like.
No, because this is what I'm doing here.
And it's
Because
perfect.
it's some part like it does let off paint and then I just go over it
Okay.
and smooth it out
Yeah,
and it.
that makes sense. That makes sense. Because Alan, these are perfect actually. What you did on the.
Yeah.
Or later on, when it gets, it's gonna change actually the color anyway. But later on, we just like sand it and do it next time.
Yeah.
I mean, right now it's not that bad. We put the stuff on it, you can't even see it. حالا میخوای بیا استراحت کنید؟ استراحت.
Oh, okay. Almost done, guys. Almost done. So it was hard at work. But look at those rails. I think it looks really good. I don't know if you guys can see, but why didn't I feel like it's that hot? I did the hardest part. Anyways, I think he got a heat stroke. I was in the sun the whole time. The whole time.
You were not rolling.
The rolling was much easier. I was holding that piece of crap. It was so heavy.
It's different than moving, it's heat.
Anyways, this is done. I think for the very first time ever doing this, we did good. Right? We did good.
I think so.
Yeah. We're gonna let it dry. And then we are going to just rest. And then we'll come back for putting the stuff out and make it pretty. I'm excited. So till then, until this get dry, we'll be back. We'll be back. Good morning, friends. We're back. So the stain is dry, and except some part that I think it was a learning curve. The rest is pretty good. I am just so excited to put my furniture out. I have to go. I have some appointments that I have to run to, but I'm just gonna quickly put this out, take a look at it, and then I'll be back later to do the rest. But let's just put the furniture out and see what does it look like.
Let the beat break through. 3, 4, light up the floor. 5, 6, got a brand new mix. We're turning up now, yeah, this is it. Shining brighter than the city lights. Bringing fire, keeping it alive. Do you feel that rhythm running through your veins? It's all about the heat and love we bring. Ooh, I'm locked and ready to fly. So smooth. Sound. Feel the music starting. Spin it round like a hurricane. Feel the rush, let the music in. Up and down, let it spin around. Side to side, let your body slide. I wanna do it.
Finally, that super exciting part of the project is here, aka buying flowers. I don't know why I'm so excited about this part, because I think that's the part that makes it super like pretty. And also that means it's that time of the year where you can have your garden, your flowers out. So anyways, there's a nursery in our local area and they have really pretty stuff which we bought last year. So we're gonna take you with us and we're gonna get some flowers. I'm so excited. It's a stormy day, so we'll see if you can put them out, but I'll try to get them ready and then we'll go from there. All right, let's get this patio done. So there is a tiny little problem. So we went to the nursery and the lady at the nursery was so nice and helpful. She helped me to pick all of these flowers. I showed them what we have. So each basket is for each of these, but there were a couple that we had to mix and match. I'm trying to remember. Because I forgot. So we're gonna start with the ones that I remember, and then we'll move on to the rest, because in that case I eliminate anything that I don't remember. So I'm gonna put these guys here, so then we know what we have. Here we go. All right, so let's do you go over here. Let's move these. I'm gonna put our gloves on. That makes sense. Just needed one of these so we can divide the dirts. Oh Lord. Organic. Not for this, but this is when you don't want to go get your scissor. Okay. So now the question was, which one of these is for this? I think I remember, because we wanted to have two similar ones. So this one and that one. Woo-hoo. Look at me. Losing up this hair right in the center. And then we're gonna have one of these guys. Everything here, and then we'll put this one here. So this one is done, and we're gonna put it over there, and then we'll find the spot for it. Now this one. Okay. Second one is done too. Three of these, but I only have two hooks. Where was the third one? I can't remember. Oh my god. Woo! I can't believe it's done. blacklight. Looks beautiful. They just take away every single fucking joy. Oh my god. I think the patio turns out really well. The sitting area, the flowers, the deck is done. I am actually really happy with how it turns out. And I love the flowers. I love the rug. Everything. The stain. I think everything turns out very well. And I think this is it. This is the end of video, friends. We are done. It's been a long time coming. I am so excited that I can now enjoy my patio. And well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, adios.